Okay guys, here I am again. I am now into all the big fashion earrings, big statements. For Zara here, they have nice, gorgeous stuff. But let's start first with what I have here. It's very easy makeup. I used Tom Ford Platinum, oldie but a goodie, and just Tom Ford eye pencil. Don't know what is it called. I don't know. Can you read it? Anyway, I love this one. Twist combination and the mascara. Tom Ford too, believe it or not. All Tom Ford eyes, I didn't realize that. And Tom Ford that never ends eyeshadow primer. Wow. First of all, this is Neri Omar. I am new in YouTube. I am Egyptian American. I live in Egypt now, Cairo. My channel is all about luxury everything. I was busy moving from US to Egypt. Now here I am back. I hope that I will be more active on my channel, and today I will open with you a very quick Zara here next to me, and then I have appointment to change my nails. However, I love it, but it gets so long, so I will change it. I don't know to what, but I like this one anyway. So let me open with you very quick because my appointment is coming very soon. I'm excited about that. Okay, put it in a pouch. Oh, wow. Okay, let's have the earrings first. Have three things here, three items. This is the first item. Wow, this is cool. They have as well hair clip, but I don't know if I will buy it or not. Oh. I like it though. Let's see. Let me try it with you guys. Can I see? Let me have my mirror next. You see? This is cute. I will leave it. I don't know, guys, when you have, oops, what did I do? What did I do? I bent, wait. About this long nails, I cannot manage that much with the long nails, guys. I can't. It was very hard to wear my contacts. Very hard now to wear the earrings. I like the way it looks on my hands, the long nails, but I like it, guys. Maybe as well I will put my hair up, which it will happen very soon because here it's hot. What do you think? Look. Okay. This is Chanel. I have to say that this lips blushing or lips tint or whatever you call it, actually, day by day, I like it. You because this is the Balm without any color, but see, because I have now more darker than my natural. Second item, photos. Wow, I love bangles. I love bangles. This always sold out. It's very good quality actually. This is the red. But let me first wear the brown, dark brown. I like the quality. It's very nice, guys. Very nice. Now we'll wear the red. And then this one. And you can wear it separately or, yeah, separately or all together. I like it. I like it so much. I love those two different. Guys, this is very nice too. And this is light too, see? Wow. I like it, guys. Do you like it? Very good quality too, see? Yeah. I like it. Okay. I'm not going to wear anything today because I am going to do my nails. Time it was a quickie unboxing from Zara, and I think I will stick to this one. I will wear it now. I don't know how I'm going to do my nails yet, simple or French manicure or just one color, but definitely what I know that I have to trim it much more shorter. And that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a huge thumb up and watch all my videos. I have tons of makeup tutorials. I have quick update about my laser remover in my microblading in my eyebrows. Check this out. My lips too. I will put all the related videos down in the description below to see my how can I say, my process of my lips blushing, in case if you want to do it. It's painful, but I think it's worth it. And that's it. I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.